I just woke up about, like 20 minutes ago.
So car 1 includes Jessica, Bianca, Sabrina, and Justin Wong. Car number 2 consists of Dranny and the other Justin.
Yes.
We're en route to
Duncan.
of course.
We'll be back when there's like better lighting. So
We're at Duncan.
my hair's a mess because Sabrina was like, "Don't wash your hair before the beach." Wait, you didn't say that.
I didn't.
No, that was Rima who said that. Never mind. Cut.
You're-
Hey, we're at the beach now, and I'm excited. It's kind of a little cloudy out.
It's not.
So this is gonna be interesting with the sunrise. We're just waiting for something. So this is like me from the future. I'm editing it right now, and I realize I don't have any videos of the sunset rising because it's so cloudy. We took pictures instead. I'll put the pictures like over here because they are pretty cute. So these are the sunrise pictures. Okay, anyway, back to the vlog. Where are we?
The turning point.
We're at the turning point. We're here for breakfast.
In Long Branch for brunch.
Brunch. It's like 9 in the morning or something. I don't know.
Is this good? Oh my god.
All right. Yeah. Good.
Oh my god.
Yeah, good.
Oh.
Of everything that I know, and nothing hurts anymore. I feel kind of free. Hey, so it's what time is it?
It's early.
It's 10 o'clock. It feels like it's 1 in the morning. As you can see, I'm tan. Sabrina is burnt. We've been out since like.
We left Jess's at 3:30.
We gotta do like a. Okay, never mind. Goodbye.